show you how I make a rough coil to do most of my bigger pots. So I'm gonna need this is about a meter, just under a few centimeters under a meter long tape for the pot I'm making. I'm a bit lazy, so I'm just gonna cut a lump of clay straight from the bag. This is a very simple adaptation of how the ongi coils are made traditionally. So if you want to see how it's made properly, there is a video of Kang Hyo Lee making an ongi pot. It's uploaded quite a while ago. If you see his video at the very beginning, he prepares his own coils, which are almost 2 meters long, I think. So this is a very similar one, but much shorter and a simpler one. The problem I have is always the middle bit getting thinner and then a bit thick. I think I'm doing too much. Yeah, so this is roughly what I need. So as you see, it's not completely cylinder. And I think even Kang Hyo Lee's ones are not cylinder. They don't have to be cylinder for the purpose of his ongi technique. So is mine. So this is how I would roughly make one of my big coils before I put it on the pot. So try it.